Hi guys, welcome to another video section with Sevine. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to multiply any number by 11. I mean any number at all. If this is your very first time of visiting the channel, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell button as well. If you've been following this channel, you notice that the very first video I posted on this channel was a multiplication by 11. Now with this one, it's got a limitation, that is multiplying two digits number by 11. But in today's video, we're going to go overboard. We're going to learn how to multiply any digits number at all. It can be a 3 digits number, 4 digits number, 5 digits number by 11 with ease. So the very first example I'm going to talk about is maybe 1436 times 11. Now, whenever you multiply any digits number by 11, just ignore the 11 aspect, focus on the number you multiply by 11. All we're going to do is to drop the extreme number. That is 1436. The last number is 6. You just drop that one, becomes our last value for the answer. Now the next digit is actually a summation of the last and the last but 1. So in this case, 3 and 6. 3 plus 6 gives us 9. Now the next number also is going to be between the next two pairs. In this case, the next two pair is 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 gives us 7. We do this until we exhaust the pairs. The next pair is 1 and 4. 1 plus 4 gives us 5. And since there is no other number to pair the last number with, we just drop it, giving us the solution to this question to be 15796. Let's see another example. Let's take something like 4354 times 11. So like I said, we're going to drop the last number. The last number is 4. I'm dropping this last number. Now the next number is just the pair between the last and the last but 1. So in this case, 5 and 4. The summation gives us 9. If I'm to continue, the next pair is between 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 gives us 8. 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 gives us 7. And since there is no other number to pair the 4 with, we just drop that one, giving us the final answer to be 47894. You can pause the video and see how you're going to do with something like this. So 51427 times 11. There is a 5 digits number. Okay, let's do this together. So as we know, we're going to drop the last number. The last number is 7. The next number is actually the pair, the sum of the pair. 2 and 7 gives us 9. The next number is between 4 and 2. 4 and 2 gives us 6. The next 4 and 1. 4 and 1 gives us 5. The next 1 and 5. 1 and 5 gives us 6. And since there is no other number to pair the 5 with, we just drop the 5, giving us our final answer to be 565,697. Now things becomes a little interesting when you encounter questions of this nature or problems of this nature. Let me put it that way. 8157 multiplied by 11. So the same process, we're going to drop the last number. The next number is based on the summation, 5 and 7, giving us 12. But we're not going to write all the 12 over there. This slot only takes one number. So we're going to write the last number and carry over the next number. So in this case, we write 2 carry 1. We move on to the next pair, that is 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. But because of the 1 that was carried over, we get the answer for that one to be 7. And later we move on to the next pair. The next pair is between 8 and 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. And since there is no other number to pair the 8 with, we drop the 8, giving us our final answer as 89721. Sorry, 89727. You can pause the video and see how you're going to do about this one. Let's take a very simple one. 6929 multiplied by 11. Okay, so the usual, drop the last number, sum the pair. 2 plus 9 giving us 11. Since this is more than 9, we're going to use the carryover effect. And again, 9 plus 2 gives us 11, but because of the carry 1, it becomes 12. So 2 carry 1. 9 plus 6 gives us 15. 15 plus 1 gives us 16. So 6 carry 1. And since there is no other number to pair the 6 with, we're going to drop the 6, but don't forget that we already have got a carry 1, so it becomes 6 plus 1 giving us 7. So the answer to this question is 6721. Let's solve maybe one more. Let's go for a 5 digit number this time. 67437 multiplied by 11. So you know the drill. You first drop the last number. Now the next number is the summation of the pair, 3 and 7 giving us 10. So we've got 0 carry 1. The next one is also involving a 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 giving us 7, but because of the carryover it becomes 8. Now we pair the next two, that is the 4 and 7. 4 plus 7 giving us 11. So 1 carry 1. And the next pair is between 6 and 7. 6 plus 7 giving us 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So 4 carry 1. And since there is no other number to pair the 6 with, we're going to drop the 6. But don't forget that we've got a carry 1. So 6 plus 1 now gives us 7. Giving us our final answer to be 741807. As you can see, there's a more general way of multiplying any digit number at all by 11. My previous video on multiplication by 11 was actually a specific video. It's focused on multiplying numbers, 2-digit numbers. But this one is actually giving us a more general form. To be very good at this, you need to solve more questions. Just put down practice questions on your own. Try to solve them without the calculator, and later use the calculator to confirm your answer. If you enjoyed this video, please like and also share to your friends. Also, and more.